Hey everybody, this is Temple Thomas, and I want to show you a quick how-to video on some very cheap fixture clamps for any type of fixture table. That's my new table that I bought from weldtables.com. I am not sponsored in any way. I paid out of my pocket for everything that you see here. So, fixture clamps. They're nice, they're handy, but they're kind of expensive. So if you want to be cheap, like I am, you can make them yourself. I went to my steel supplier and got some 5/8 inch bar stock. These holes are set at 5/8 inch diameter. I got a 20-foot stick for 16 bucks, so pretty cheap. I cut these at a 2-inch length. You take your standard cheapo Home Depot, Harbor Freight type clamp, F-style bar clamp. I got a dozen 18s, they were out of 12s, and I got a half a dozen 6-inch. I took it, clamped it in the hole, just like this. Set it in place, take my angle grinder, cut a little groove in there, weld it in place. That's it, that's simple. Take it, drop it in the hole, and now you have a nice little fixture clamp. Just like that. And for about $4, I made this clamp for less than the regular $25 to $35 that these things can cost. Now, yes, the arm is not adjustable in and out like some of the nice ones you can buy. But hey, for what I'm going to do, just to try to set things on the table, clamp them in place, keep things from warping, I'm pretty happy with this so far. Anyway, thanks. Like and subscribe if you want, and feel free to leave a comment. Have a good day.